Hi, in front of me is CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate sound recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, find sound recorder and click on it. Now tap on the red button and click allow to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button or end it by clicking on the square one. Now tap save. To get into your recordings list, click on the 3 lines. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, hold it, click on the pin icon and choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!